Prices here are pretty good. Stupid. There's a model number you can't see. Here's another one. This one's a 103. If they don't have anything good here, Halton Thrift will go back for their Royal Dirt Devil. Looking pretty empty like last time. Sweet. Damn, never got one of those before. Another successful trip to the thrift store. Here's what I got at the thrift store today. Wonder if these are all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, there's 7 of them. Grabbed every one they had. Check that out. Gonna digitize that pretty soon. It's from 1999. Hopefully it's not on YouTube already. The hell? That's rusty. That came out of the RCA TV that I freaking dropped. Because I'm a dumbass sometimes. And this one. A Mitsubishi TV right there. 1994. So yeah, these were 25 cents each. Wasn't sure about that, but 25B. I don't know. So yeah, see you in the video.